Good morning, dear Pathanians. Welcome in SST class with Reenu ma'am. Children, today we are going to do exercises part of chapter number 17, means of communication. Means of communication, means of mass communication. Okay? Well, so let us start the class. Many of the students, they have done the exercises part. Children were telling me in the live classes also that madam, we have done the exercises part, and that is very good. Children, do you know how it happens? Because you people are listening to teacher very carefully and accordingly you are doing the exercises, isn't it? So children, this is my humble request to those who has not done yet. They have to listen to the teacher very carefully and they will be able to do the exercises part in a very simple way. Okay? So let's start the exercises part. Everybody will open page number 118. Page number 118 and let us start question number 1. The question is multiple choice questions. Question number 1, tick the correct option. You have to put a tick on the correct option. You have to read very carefully. Question number 1. In ancient times, people sent messages through. Ancient times में जो people थे वो कैसे messages को send करते थे? Fax? No. Telephone? No, not at all. Email? Electronic mail? No. Messengers? Yes. Messengers. Okay, so you have to put a tick on messengers. So first is messengers. Okay, in part 1, messengers. Number 2, in ancient times messages and letters were sent through lions. No. Dogs? No. Cats? No. Pigeons? Yes, you're right. Pigeons. Number 3. We have voicemail facility on. Voicemail facility. And you are using that, isn't it? Someone yesterday sent me a voice message. Ma'am, will you please explain the exercises part? I said yes. I put the voice message. And you know, voice message kaise mila? How? On television? No. Fax? No. Mobile phones? Yes. And D option, none of these. So our answer is mobile phones. Number 4. Satellite. Phones are an important means of satellite. Satellite क्या होता है? Satellites are placed high up in sky above the earth. They receive and transmit signals. Receive और transmit करते हैं signals को. Due to signals, we instantly get visual on the television screen or sound on a radio. है ना? This is how we are able to watch cricket match, football match and other programs live. Live क्या होता है? Let me tell you. Live means to be able to watch or listen when the event is actually taking place at some other place. That is live. Live means to be able to watch or listen when the event is actually taking place at some other place. Satellites also help us to know the condition of weather. So children, satellite phones are an important means of satellite phones जो बिल्कुल सेम होते हैं मोबाइल फोन की तरह. Okay, and you have read about here also satellite phones like mobile phone. They the only difference is that it is directly linked to a satellite, and I told you about the satellite also. Okay, so entertainment, no. Transport, education, no. Communication, yes. So answer will be communication. has made us able to share internet. Introduction of internet has made us to able to share pictures, films, jokes or information. Information? Yes. Write down information. Next question. Write true or false. In early times, pigeons were used to send messages. Yes, true. So, B part, number 1, true. Number 2, an urgent message can be sent through speed post. Yes, true. Number 3, email is the extra mail. Email, electronic mail. So this is false. Number 4, television is a means of mass communication. Yes, mass communication means when means of mass communication are used when the message is to be conveyed to a large number of people at the same time. So television उसका भी एक वे है mass communication का. So answer is true. So it is clear to everybody. Now we'll do C part. Match the following. Okay. C part. Match the following. Telephone. Fastest means of communication. So in front of telephone or in front of C part, you have to write number 1. Fastest means of communication. Okay. Telephone. So here telephone in front of, okay, let me write television. Number 3, television broadcast started in India. Broadcast started in India. One, two, three, 4. Newspaper. Money order. Now the answers. Telephone. This is the fastest means of communication. So fastest means of communication. So television, that is, we can see and hear also. Seeing and hearing. So answer number 2, seeing and hearing. Right. Next is number 3. Television broadcast started in India 1959. So you have to write 1959. Newspaper. Cheapest means of communication. So you have to write cheapest means of communication. Next is money order. Money order, post. Okay, money order, use of post. So you have to write post. That's all. Okay, money order आप करना चाहे तो आप post offices में जाके money order कर सकते हैं. You can do that, right? Now on page number 119, here is a box. You just see, here is a box. You can see, right? In this box, find the names of 5 means of communication from the following grid and write them in the space provided. Here is the space, and very easily you can find. I'm telling you what are there. Okay. Number 1, TV is there. Number 2, fax is there. Number 3, email means electronic mail. Number 4, radio. And number 5, pager. Have you ever heard about a pager? अभी मोबाइल फोन से थोड़ा पहले पेजर स्टार्ट हुए थे, तो उस पर जो भी इंफॉर्मेशन लिखना होता था वो लिख के सेंड कर दिया जाता था. एंड दिस इज ऑल्सो अ मीन्स ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन. पेजर, PAGER. ओके, नाउ सी, क्रैक द कोड एंड फाइंड आउट द कॉमन मीन्स ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन. यू हैव टू सी, नंबर्स दिए हैं. ओके, so here numbers are given. Accordingly you just see 15 number is there, 15 is there, so M, you have to write M here. Okay, 17, you just see what is 17. O is there, 4 number. B is there, 11 number. 1 is there, I is there, 14, L is there, 7, E is there. Okay, so this is mobile. So first is mobile. In the same way, second is, you will find that laptop. Okay. So children, you have to do exercises part in the book. Okay. And just try to write down the question answers also. Okay. Just try. In next video, I'll discuss question answers with you. Okay children. Bye-bye. Have a wonderful time.